Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our Tiny Tot Tuesdays. So I have $25 here today. This is the video where we save for our upcoming sinking funds for my daughter specifically. So it's sinking funds for her next month. And it's also, there's some like categories like long-term savings, like college fund and stuff like that. But mostly sinking funds. So that's why we call it Tiny Tot Tuesdays. So I hope y'all are having a good Tuesday. I hope that you guys are having a good week so far. Now that we're past Monday, I don't know, do you guys struggle with Monday, the beginning of the week? Do you feel like it's hard to get going? But once Tuesday hits, we should be up and at 'em, so to speak. All right, come on, we need something for number 2. Number 5. Okay, well, number 2 didn't get anything today. That's okay. So let's see what we were able to add to these challenges today. So I'm currently recording this on Sunday evening. I'm trying to stay ahead, guys, because it's been tough. All right, so our first challenge here is by Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. We had one layover one, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're actually just going to set this aside because we only need 4 to finish this. So we can do this flower. So today has been a dreary Sunday here. Ari and I went to church this morning. It is Mother's Day. And so she was cute. She wanted to get me something else, even though she already made me that beautiful painting. I was like, you don't need to get me anything else. I love that painting. It's amazing. We're going to do a yellow umbrella up here. But yeah, so we went to church this morning, and then we came home. We had lunch together. We had like just kind of a chill afternoon, and we did a little rest time, and then we went to go to the park for a little bike ride, and it was rainy out, but I was like, well, it's not like actually raining right now, so let's get outside, you know, get some energy out. And then it started raining as soon as we got there, wouldn't you know it. But Aria still wanted to ride her bike in the rain, so she did. Silly girl. All right, so this is the one that didn't get any love today. So this is by Bookish Mama Budgets. So we'll set that aside. Maybe we'll have some extra money that we can put towards it today. All right, this one is by Wild Everest. And so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that is exactly what we needed to finish this out. So that's wonderful. So we have that one and this little seashell. There we go. Okay, so we finished this one as well. So this one has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That is great. Okay, next we have this one that we've been working on for a while. This is by Plan to Save. And we are adding 1, 2, 3, and 4. So one more bunny to fill out, and then we will be done with this one. So this one has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. All right. Our next challenge here is by Happy to Save with Hannah. This is her cute little lemonade savings. We are adding, this one got a lot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so this one is finished. We finished this one with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you know what? I've been forgetting to write. Wait, is today the 11th? I think so, right? Okay, so that one we finished with 8. This one had 12. And this one should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So I hope y'all had a good weekend as well. I know I already probably asked you about it in my Mini Monday video, but yeah, I do hope that you enjoyed your Mother's Day, time with family, whatever you ended up doing. And hopefully y'all had better weather than we had here. All right, this next challenge is by Joe from CBA Mom Saves, and it's a cute little butterfly. Joe sent me this in some Happy Mail, so I'm excited to use it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. All right, now what do we have left over here? We have 1, 2, 3, and $4. So let's go ahead and finish this one out. We just needed 2 to finish this one. So we can do that. Oops, I'm finishing a lot of challenges today, guys. All right, so now we have 5. Wait, did I add the 2? Yes, I added the 2 already. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Awesome. So we have 18 saved. There we go. All right. This is our 4th challenge that we finished today, guys. That's amazing. All right, and then we're gonna add $2 to this one. Since this one didn't get any love today, we're gonna show it some love. We're gonna add $2 here. Color in these cute little hearts. All righty. There we go. So this one now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, and we are very close to finishing these 2. Maybe we'll finish these 2 next week. But for now, we finished 4 challenges. These are going into our ding, ding, ding bag, our finished challenges bag. And look, she's so happy. She's getting full on challenges that are completed. Yay, she's getting thick. That's what we like to see. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me, for saving some money with me, and being here and chatting. Please say hi in the comments, especially if you're new. I know that I've had a lot of new subscribers recently, so thank you for being here. Please say hi so that I can get to know you. And for the rest of you who have been watching for a while, thank you so much for being back, for coming back consistently. I appreciate you, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.